Whether you use an online-only bank or a traditional one, your accounts can be vulnerable. The Federal Trade Commission says there were more than 33,000 bank fraud reports last year. But you may be able to fight bank account attacks by beefing up your own security.
I could swallow it, maybe if it was 500 or even 1,000, but 13 grand is quite a bit to me.
Orland Park resident and veteran Peter Dulce has been fighting to get $13,000 back into his Chase bank account. He's disputing hundreds of transactions. He thinks someone may have his account or debit card information.
It says the transactions included bill payments to Apple, Hulu, Petco. You didn't make any of these?
No, not a one.
Dulce says he did get an alert about a suspicious $254 transaction in November of 2021. That's when he called Chase and discovered several months of ongoing fraud. He says Chase would not issue credits on those other transactions because he waited too long to report them. He admits he was not checking his account statements regularly.
One day they charged up $2,000, so my limit is $500. So my question being, how would they allow that?
Chase responded saying it monitors accounts continually, adding that its deposit account agreement tells customers to report fraud within 60 days. Chase says as a courtesy, it credited some transactions after that window of eligibility had expired for Dulce. However, the other claims were denied. We suggested he reach out to the merchants directly to see if they could offer a refund. This is an unfortunate situation. However, protecting a customer's account must be a partnership between the bank and the customer. Bank hackers have also gone after at least one customer we spoke to at the newer online-only bank, Chime. Maxine Beals of Batavia is one of Chime's 13 million customers.
I was surprised that they handled this so poorly.
Beals got a notification that someone withdrew $100 from her account while she physically had her Chime Visa debit card. She immediately called Chime and found out even more money was being siphoned from her account.
There were 12 transactions, and I didn't get a notification until the 12th transaction, so there was a disconnect. I didn't get alerted until it was way too late.
$1,200 gone. She says she immediately filed a claim with Chime.
They told me it was denied almost right away, and they gave me reasons like, you had your card in your possession, so it had to be you. I'm like, what?
After reporting the theft to police, the Better Business Bureau, and the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, or FDIC, Chime returned the $1,200. But Beals says her confidence was shaken.
They failed ultimately at having the customers back.
Chime tells the I-Team that it can't disclose private account information, but we take matters like this very seriously, and our members' services team is currently investigating the situation. In addition to reporting fraud quickly, you can also protect your online banking accounts by using two-factor authentication. Have strong passwords and
not reusing your passwords. I always suggest that people use a password management solution.
Also watch out for skimmers and cameras at gas pumps and ATMs. They can capture your debit card information and your PIN.
Getting something like a PIN is tough but possible and can cause so much damage, right? No one thinks it's going to happen to them, but it may happen.
Don't reuse PINs. If a PIN is compromised on a less secure site, hackers can match it to your bank account. Also, don't click on phishing links. If you think your bank really sent you a link, call the bank to verify.
Hey, if you like that video, be sure to subscribe to our ABC7 Chicago YouTube channel.